Hello, I am Ji-Eun Lee. Today, we'll discuss gastrocnemius ganglia, their anatomy, and their association with high-grade osteoarthritis. First, let's look at the anatomy. The gastrocnemius tendon inserts at the posterior surface of the distal medial part of the femur, just above the capsular attachment. The origin of the medial head of the gastrocnemius tendon reveals that the medial, thicker tendinous portion has a linear low signal intensity configuration on imaging. In contrast, the lateral part of the medial head is muscular. Now, in our imaging studies, we can distinguish between intracapsular and extracapsular ganglia. On our diagram, the origin of the medial head of the gastrocnemius tendon is marked in orange. Deeper than this, we find the intracapsular ganglia, which are indicated in yellow. More superficially located, we have the extracapsular ganglia, shown in aqua. These cysts are interconnected, and this connection is particularly well visualized on coronal images. It's important to note that high-grade osteoarthritis has a significant association with the presence of extracapsular ganglia. Thank you for watching. If you found my video helpful, please remember to like it.